Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to use workspaces in the Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you open too many tabs and your browser becomes messy, then workspaces can help you organize everything easily. So let's get started. Before that, you should know what is workspace. Workspaces allows you to group tabs into separate sections. For example, you can create one workspace for work, one for a study, and another for personal use. This helps you keep your tabs clean and organized. To create a workspace, first open the Vivaldi browser on your computer. Now look at the top of the browser where your tabs are located. To create a new workspace, click on the workspace icon on the tab bar. Now click on the new workspace. After that, you can name it like work. You can also assign emoji. After that, click on the create button. To create more workspace, again click on the workspace area, then click on the new workspace and you can name it. After that, click on the create button. Your new workspace will be created instantly. To switch between workspaces, click on the workspace again. Now select the workspace you want. For example, home is now selected. I want to switch to work. Thus, just click on the work to switch the workspace. You will notice that each workspace contains in on tabs. For example, I can open one tab in work and another in home workspace. You can see. To move a tab to another workspace, simply right click on the tab, hover mouse over move, and then you can choose here workspace. I want to shift this one tab from work to home, so I will click here home workspace, and now you can see in the home tab these both tabs are shifted. To rename a workspace, open the workspace menu by clicking on the down arrow button, then right click on the workspace name you want to change and then choose here edit workspace. Now name it as you want. After that, click on the done button. That's it. This is how you can use workspaces in the Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.